This is my fish tank, 200 gallons, and I got 3 Fluvals. I got 2 Fluvals FX5s and one 405. That's my FX5, that's one. Just right there. And I got the other one on the other side. Just right here. This is the other one, and then I got the 405 over there. That's only 100 gallons. Each Fluval is 400 gallons, so it's 800 plus the 405. It's about 900 gallons. And this is my stuff too. That's the carbon, that's the things that I use to prepare my water and that stuff. That's one. That's the other one on the other side. Right there. And this is my fish tank. That's my Óscar. I got 2 Óscars. One is probably like 4 inches, the other one like 3 inches. I got a blue parrot right there. I got a Jaguar. I got 2 red Texas and 2 flower horn for now. And it's only 210 gallons, like I say. Right there. I just bought like 2 months ago. So I just finished to set up, and I finished buy all the fishes that I want to. And that, yeah, I think that's it. That's my little Óscar. I call him Paris. That's a flower horn. That right there, it's a Jaguar. That's another red Texas. I don't think I have another red Texas, but I think it's behind somewhere. Let's see. As you see, the water is clear now. You can see through to the other side, and it's very clear. It's because we got a lot of filters. I mean, it's 3, but each of them is. I got 2 Fluvals FX5 with 100 gallons each, and then the other one 405 Fluval. They awesome. Even you got a lot of fish, still okay. So the total of the capacity, it's like 900 gallons, but it's only taking care for only 200 gallons tank, so it's okay. See, that's a flower horn right there. She's like 3 inches for now. She's still a baby. I got baby right there. That's a red Texas. There you go. Right there is my heater. Right there is my power head. This is a small one because we don't need a lot of running water. Yeah, well, that's it. That's my fish tank, 200 gallons, 210 gallons. As you know, the Fluval FX5 has like 5 gallons water in there, so I think the total is like 220. I just changed the water like 5 days ago, so I think this is why it looks too beauty. I mean, There you go. That's a news view.